There is some breaking news for cryptocurrencies that is going to affect Dogecoin, Ethereum, all of our favorite cryptocurrencies. In this video, we're going to be talking about this very good news that is happening right now and much more. So make sure you guys watch the entire video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies where we call out huge plays before they happen. If you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, it's only $10 a month, where you can also get a bunch of access to a bunch of other services where you can talk to me on the phone, we can build you a portfolio, and much more. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one lucky winner this Saturday. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. If you love Dogecoin and cryptocurrencies, go ahead and smash up the like button. It helps us support the channel and the Dogecoin community. And let me know in the comments, did you buy the Ethereum and Dogecoin dip when we were at the bottom a couple of weeks ago? So cryptocurrencies are going up there looking very positive today, and there's one particular reason which we will get to in just a minute. But take a look at this. Google is now running crypto ads again as a new policy goes into effect. So we talked about this a couple of months ago that Google was looking to open back up cryptocurrency advertisements, and they are doing it in such a wonderful time as this, where cryptos were at a bottom, we are at a correction period for some time, and now we are starting to get back into that bull run. Now things are starting to look very bullish. The last 2 months, things were bearish, where we were just seeing mostly red. It's just going down and down and down. We have a green day here or there, maybe a couple of green days in a row, and then it just go down and down and down, and then a big pump, and then just continue to be red. But what we are seeing is mostly green now. So that shows you that we are back in a bull market. We never really left the bull market, but we're back in the second bull run. We're starting the second bull run, which is looking very good for cryptocurrencies. But this is definitely a very big move to see Google, one of the biggest companies in the world, starting to allow cryptocurrency ads, which is going to be on YouTube, a lot of their products, because Google does own YouTube. So that's going to potentially have a huge effect on the crypto market to now allow advertisements to one of the best and biggest search engines in the entire world. So now millions of people, billions of people are potentially going to get exposed to cryptocurrencies who may have never been exposed to cryptos before. Let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Let's see what's happening today. So Bitcoin is up 3%. Ethereum right now up almost 8%. The last 30 days, Ethereum is up 22%. Bitcoin only up 16% in the last 30 days. So today, Binance Coin just about the same as Bitcoin. Cardano down a little bit today because it was very green yesterday. So definitely not worried about that. XRP up almost 2%. Dogecoin up about 2% right now. Polkadot looking very good, 8.5%. Uniswap 8.5%. So we're seeing a lot of cryptocurrencies, DeFi and cryptocurrencies that are related to Ethereum have been very green lately. Dogecoin definitely needs to be catching up here soon because most cryptos have been way outperforming Dogecoin. And Dogecoin was one of the worst performing cryptos in the top 20 cryptos the month of July. So this month might be the month for Dogecoin to get back up into the 30s. I think getting back into the 30-cent range is going to be most likely very possible for us for Dogecoin this month, which should definitely be good to see because then we have to get to the 40s and then the 50s. But we also know that certain events, certain things that can happen in the crypto market can bring the price of cryptocurrencies up very, very fast, like we saw last week. Last week was a pure example to show you how patience can pay off because look, out of the blue, Bitcoin basically went from 28,000 to 42,000. Ethereum went from 1,700 to nearly 3,000 in just a few days. So know that can happen for Dogecoin. Dogecoin, remember, Dogecoin was at 7 cents and it went all the way up to 42 cents very, very quickly in just a matter of days. That same thing will most likely happen again for cryptocurrencies. Once the bull run starts to pump a little bit more, once crypto starts to gain stronger traction and people stop to be fearful, they're starting to see, okay, this thing is now very consistent. Let me go ahead and get back in because there's a lot of fear right now with these altcoins, with Dogecoin. There's a lot of people, a lot of money on the sidelines waiting for cryptos to start taking off again. So once they do, rest assured, Dogecoin is at an extremely low price, and I believe Dogecoin will way outperform any of the top 20 cryptos, especially in the months to come, and especially during very bullish times. So while Dogecoin might not do really good today and the last couple of weeks, Dogecoin can surely outperform things in the long run, especially if we look the next couple of months. By the end of the year, Dogecoin is outperforming all of these cryptos, and it has done so already. And I believe it will continue to do so again. So Ethereum is going up like crazy because there's this huge EIP update tomorrow, which is taking place. So could there potentially be a decent drop in the price of Ethereum tomorrow? I think so. I think cryptocurrencies, especially Ethereum, has been pumping up because of the expectancy of EIP 1559 and the London hard fork. So this data right here goes to show us this pink line right here, that's the social volume, like the sentiment for Ethereum. And we're seeing massive spikes the last couple of days, which has brought the price up. So basically, this is the measurement of hype. So we're seeing a lot of hype push the price of Ethereum up. So generally what we know on certain events, it's the day of the event, that's when things fall off. That's when we see drops. I'm thinking, and I say this every time and it never happens, but I'm thinking this time it might be different, okay? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, it's just my own opinion. I'm thinking tomorrow we could still pump for Ethereum. And I'm not gonna be selling. I'm not worried about a major drop with Ethereum. Because if we were to drop, I think we go down 10%, 12%, somewhere in that ballpark if there was to be a pretty big drop. But Ethereum is slowly climbing up. When something pumps 50%, 70%, 100% in a couple of days, then I would definitely be looking to take profits. When things pump that much, they can drop 30%, 40%, 50% very quickly. So in that type of situation, that's when I'd be looking to sell and take profits. But if we're only pumping up, 10%, 5% here, in the matter of days, I'm not really going to be concerned about selling and taking profits, trying to catch a huge dip. But most likely, there will be a dip tomorrow. The chances and likeliness of that happening is pretty high. But again, I'm not thinking it's going to be a huge crash. It could be like 10%, 15%. But hey, if you buy that dip, you could certainly make a big profit. But I will be announcing those in the Patreon, so make sure you guys stay tuned in the Patreon for that. Or if you have not, make sure you join. So the reason why the cryptos are going up, I think it is because of this article here. Senators move to exempt Bitcoin crypto miners from proposed U.S. tax rules. So we have pro-U.S. senators, people in the government who are fighting this crypto bill. They're trying to make it beneficial to crypto users, to crypto investing. And this is definitely a major victory. They're trying to amend this. They're going to try to exempt Bitcoin miners from this because this was a big concern. So if they're able to do this, I think that this will actually have a very profound effect on the crypto market overall and even in the long term. We have this, things are looking good in the stock market. Things are looking good all around. There's not much fear. So that's going to allow things to pump as well. And then we have this huge update for Ethereum. That's another reason why cryptos are pumping up and looking very healthy today. So we're going to go ahead and dive into some technical analysis. Let's see what's going on with cryptos. Where are we headed? So we're going to first start off with Bitcoin. I'm using a whole bunch of indicators. And I'm on the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is going to be for us the most accurate. So I'm actually getting a huge buy signal, not only with market cipher, but we're seeing a huge bullish cross right here on the MACD, and the RSI is looking healthy. So it's looking like Bitcoin's probably going to pump to 42.6. Hopefully we can break this level of resistance, which is going to be very likely. Taking a look at Ethereum, we are looking still very bullish. We are a bit oversold on the RSI, so the likeliness of us coming down here very soon is very high, most likely tomorrow or maybe tonight. The money flow, the volume, the transactions are very high, but we're still getting a very bullish cross with the MACD. So that's definitely very exciting, which could potentially mean that we could pump, maybe even see 28, 29. We could see close to $3,000 for Ethereum in the next couple of days. That's if we don't have a decent crash. And taking a look at Dogecoin, we are just getting this bullish cross now, which is looking good. We also put a buy alert out the other day because Market Cipher gave us a huge bullish buy alert for Dogecoin, which we were able to buy. And from that level, we should be up nearly about 6%. Nothing crazy, but Looking at the 4-hourly time frame, it shows for us a very strong bullish momentum right here in the bottom, pushing us up, which these numbers show us the strength of the bulls and bears. And what we are seeing right now is a 20 versus a -5. So the strength of the bulls here is very strong for Dogecoin. And Dogecoin has been oversold, been kind of consolidating for the longest, more so than any other cryptocurrency. So I would not be surprised. Being that we are at a very healthy RSI, we're having a bullish cross with the MACD. We could see a big pump here in the next couple of days, but it all depends on Bitcoin. It all depends on the crypto market, because as we know, Bitcoin was looking healthy today. We were up a bit, and that has helped certainly the price of Dogecoin. Bitcoin and Dogecoin have really been following each other all along. But here's another thing. The Bitcoin dominance continues to lower. The ETH dominance is getting higher. There's a lot of attractiveness to Ethereum right now. A lot of people are excited about Ethereum because it's a cheaper crypto. It has more of a use case than Bitcoin. I personally think it's way better than Bitcoin, but they're two different things. But this goes to show you that when this Bitcoin dominance starts to lower like this, we're at 46%. That is when the altcoins start pumping. So we are potentially headed back into the altcoin season. We'll have to see what happens in the next couple of months. But if there's a lot of excitement, if there's a lot of hope and sentiment around Ethereum and some of the altcoins, it's going to help to propel this Bitcoin dominance, which means Bitcoin will still pump, Bitcoin will still go up, but the altcoins are going to receive the greater market share, and the altcoins will outperform Bitcoin surely. So overall, the market is still looking bullish, but just be warned, be cautious, because Ethereum and these cryptos, we might see a red day tomorrow. That's very likely, very possible. But we could also, despite all of that happening, have a very positive the rest of the green week. We could have a very strong day the next couple of days. So I'm also expecting that based on the market conditions and how things are looking, cryptos are due to blast off here any second. If you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, use my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they'll send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell and buy cryptos with. If you guys got anything out of the video, make sure you smash up the like button, share this video with some of your friends and family, and I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good one.